Remember that without hope, we all would give up. Therefore, I am sharing this with you that it is important that we have hope every day and everything we do to be positive and believe that all things are going to work out for good. Of course, we can meet some bumpy roads along the way, but without hope, we would all give up. There's no reason to even get out of your house, of your bed in the morning when you don't have hope. Therefore, start building up your hope right now.